my channel, Tailor Tribe. I'm TerrellTailored. Smash the like button. I need to see 75K likes on this video. Stay tuned, keep it locked. Let's get into it. I'm TerrellTailored. Hey, yo, Tailor Tribe, listen, wait. You know what? If you really rocking with me, leave the wave emoji in the comment section, because we've been weaving a wave on YouTube since we returned, man. Yo, Tailor Tribe, listen, real quick, head over to my vlog channel. I'm dropping a video right now, the first video on my vlog channel, A Tailor Life with me and Lauren. Make sure you subscribe to my vlog channel, A Tailor Life. Look, I'm back on the game, man. We back on YouTube. I'm excited about it. Check out my vlog channel. Go watch the video right now. It's dope, it's crazy. You voted. You want to see an updated twist out, which I'm really not surprised that you chose to twist out, because I haven't done one recently this year. I've been off YouTube for about 3 to 4 months, and my hair got longer, got more defined. You want to see what I do for my twist out. So I'm about to walk you through my twist out. Not going to do too much talking. Just like the video. I'm going to challenge somebody. Listen, you know what? I'm in a good mood today. You know I respond to everybody in the comment sections. So I'm gonna be reading the comments today, and I want somebody to make me laugh. Look, I want to challenge somebody. Can you make TerrellTailored laugh in the comment section? And we gonna get into this video, man. I rock with y'all. I love y'all. Like the video before you watch it. Let's get into this video. I'm done talking, man. This twist out is fire. Alright, so right here I'm doing my twist out. I like to go in with my curls. That's a leave-in conditioner that I use for my curls, leave-in conditioner. And then I always do my twist outs with my Tailor band, so it can hold the twist outs in place. A lot of you want your curls to drop and your curls to hang. You can actually trick your hair by using the Tailor band to just tuck your twist underneath the Tailor band overnight, and then your hair stay in place and your curls will drop or hang, because a lot of you want to achieve the look that I have. You can do that with the Tailor band and everything. And so I had to go in there and moisten up my hair. A lot of you are doing twist outs on dry hair. You should never do a twist out on dry hair. Keep your hair moisturized with water. I always got the spray bottle, and then I use a leave-in conditioner by Curls. And that's really how I do my twist outs. You see here I'm sectioning it out so it can be nice and neat. I do medium to large. Actually, these are medium twists that I'm doing right now, so I usually do about medium to large twist outs. And then so I'll just go in. You see how the Tailor band is keeping the twist intact and it's keeping it parted, and so now I need to go in there and moisturize the back. Tailor Tribe, look man, Terrell Tailor got the best twist outs on YouTube, hands down. I'm the hair goat, man. The best twist outs. Got my fresh haircut. I'm feeling real fight. You know what? Drop the fire emoji for this haircut, man. This haircut is on some another level, man. It's on the hair goat level. All right, Tailor Tribe, so I hope this was able to assist you on your natural journey. Whether you're looking to get longer hair, curly hair, whatever the case may be, follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter at TerrellTailored. And Tailor Tribe, remember, it's never too late to tailor your life the way you want to see it. My name is Terrell Tailor. Can't wait to see you next time.